I'm always moving, but I never leave my place. What am I? Clock hands is the answer. I can fly without wings and run without feet. What am I? Here is the correct answer, the wind. The more you take me, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer is steps. I have a face, but no eyes, hands, but no arms. What am I? A clock is the correct answer. I'm something that can be wasted, saved, or spent, but never owned. What am I? Here is the correct answer, hours. What has numbers but cannot count? A clock is the true answer. I'm free for the taking, but once taken, I can never be returned. What am I? You guess it right, moments. I can be measured in seconds, but I don't exist physically. What am I? A second is the correct answer. I'm always in front of you, but can't be seen. What am I? The future is the right answer. What comes but never arrives? Tomorrow is the true answer. I move faster when you're having fun. What am I? Here is the right answer, time perception. I'm made of 12 divisions and keep everything on track. What am I? Yes, you get it right, a calendar. What's always late but eventually shows up? A delayed train is the right answer. I'm something you can turn back but never retrieve. What am I? A clock is the correct answer. What keeps running until it's wound down? A mechanical watch. What rings at the start and end of every hour? A bell is true. I can tell the time, but I don't tick. What am I? The correct answer is a sundial. I run without legs, but stop when I'm flipped. What am I? An hourglass is the right answer. What's the one thing you can stretch, but can't physically touch? Correct answer is a deadline. I measure the duration of life, but don't exist beyond numbers. What am I? A lifespan. Thanks for playing and watching.